is for airplane, airplane. It zooms through the sky like a giant metal bird late for work. B is for bus, beep 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 bus. It rumbles along like a big yellow whale carrying noisy passengers.
C is for car, CC car, car.
It rooms around like it drank too much gasoline flavored energy drink.
D is for dump truck, DD dump truck.
It carries dirt like a giant metal kangaroo with pockets full of rocks. E is for excavator,
Excavator.
it scoops the ground like it's trying to eat giant bowls of soil.
F is for fire truck, fire truck.
It speeds off like a superhero with a loud
Wee-oo, battle cry. G is for garbage truck, G, garbage truck.
It chomps trash like a giant metal monster eating leftovers.
H is for helicopter, H, helicopter.
It spins its blades like it's mixing the sky into a smoothie.
I is for ice cream truck, ice cream truck.
It plays music like it's inviting the whole neighborhood to a sugar party.
J is for jet, J, jet.
It blasts forward like it strapped rockets to its wings.
K is for cart, K, cart.
It zips around corners like it's racing in a video game. L is for loader,
L, loader.
it lifts heavy stuff like it's showing off at a gym.
M is for motorcycle, M, motorcycle.
It zooms past like it's trying to outrun its own shadow.
N is for navy ship, N, navy ship.
It sails along like a floating city taking a slow ocean stroll.
O is for off-road jeep, off-road jeep.
It bounces on bumps like it's playing hopscotch with rocks.
P is for police car, P, police car.
It races around like it's chasing someone who stole its snacks.
Q is for quad bike, Q, quad bike.
It rolls over dirt like a tiny beast with 4 angry wheels.
R is for rocket, R, rocket.
It blasts up like it couldn't wait one more second to visit space.
S is for scooter, S, scooter.
It glides around like it's too cool to walk anywhere.
T is for tractor, T, tractor.
It chugs along like a sleepy metal cow working on farms.
U is for unicycle, U, unicycle.
It balances itself like it's showing off circus tricks.
V is for van, V, van.
It cruises around like it's moving an entire house inside. W is for wagon,
Webby, wagon.
it rolls behind like a tiny car taking a lazy nap. X is for x-ray truck,
X, X-ray truck.
it scans stuff like it has superhero see-through powers.
Y is for yacht, yacht.
It sails fancy like it's always on vacation sipping ocean air.
Z is for zip car, Z, zip car.
It appears everywhere like a car that learned teleport.